Lindsay Davis decided to enter Boise State's educational technology program.
Well, I hope she's ready to spend some long frustrating hours in front of the computer.
She's going to learn so many new things in her EdTech 501 course. She will gain confidence by posting her YouTube introduction video.
She will never be able to figure out how to have the text on that video read in the correct direction.
Oh, but all of the online tools the class introduces her to will be so cool. RSS feeds, and Digio to organize her websites. Zotero to use for research. Google Drive to keep all of her files organized. Creating her own WordPress blog to record her learning experiences. Learning how to use Scribe to embed documents in her blog. And even using Extranormal to make this very movie.
Yeah, and she will have to sign up for all of those sites, and create usernames and passwords for each of them. What a pain. Who can keep track of that?
She will. And she will be able to use her skills to create a digital divide project with her small group that turns out to be awesome. And her Tech Trends lesson plan using physics motion graphs will be pretty cool too. You'll see, it's all going to turn out great.